Let's turn off parental controls on your iPhone. Now, the first thing that we will do is get to the screen time on your iPhone settings. Usually within screen time, there's a password set that a parent or parental guardian, somebody has set a screen time passcode and limited the functionality of that phone. We can always turn those off just by going into content and privacy restrictions. Now, this is the key one. If you go to turn something off, you can see a lot of times it says enter in the passcode. So you might need to know that passcode if there is one set, but if you enter it in wrong, keep in mind you can a lot of times just reset that using your Apple ID password if you wanted to as well. But let's say you do know that screen time passcode, you can always just toggle those off. However, keep in mind there might be other things that are limited. Say it might be set to limit adult websites and you want to switch this to unrestricted. Basically, just go through this entire list and make sure nothing is restricted or switch to don't allow. If it is set to don't allow on any of these, make sure to just hop in here and switch it to allow. Keep in mind, after you've done that, that's not everything that could be restricting your ability. So let's go back out of here and go to app limits. If there is an app limit, say for social apps or something like that, then all you need to do is, if that's in there, just swipe to the left and hit delete. Now, delete out any of those app limits, but you also might want to go into downtime. If there is a downtime turned on, this will prevent your ability to use the iPhone during certain hours of the day. Again, just toggle this off, but you might also want to go to allowed always and screen distance, communication limits, all of these things. You might want to turn them off so that you have full access to everything on your iPhone.